Hey, art peeps, welcome in, welcome back. This time we are doing snowflakes, super easy snowflakes in less than a minute, believe it or not.
You can choose whatever kind of paper that you want. All you need is some good scissors. You can use regular like kid scissors, better ones, especially for the more intricate designs and details.
Bigger, more strong scissors. Okay, first thing I will do is show you again how to do that paper fold. It is taking it sideways
And bringing that top corner down to the bottom.
so you can kind of be parallel to that side. Once you smush that on, you can cut across this. And then after you got that, you can take it and fold it one time and another time right up there to make a small or skinnier triangle. Try to match it up as best as you can
So people even use that kind of scissors part to get that nice and smushed.
on there. There you go. Doesn't have to be perfect, you're just trying your best. So from here you can do all sorts of designs, you can do all sorts of triangles, you can do rectangles.
And you can even do kind of like a swirly design, kind of go up and then down and then up and then down. You trace something, you can do it with pencil first. I always try to stay on the folded edges first.
Sometimes I even kind of peek to see how it's gonna turn out, and if I got like an empty space, then I can go back and kind of fill in that with a piece removed. So like that. So from there, that is kind of the more basic ideas or basic designs. Ooh, I like this one though. That one looks really, really cool.
I like that on there, but I want something a little bit more complicated, a little bit more pieces on there.
So now when you get to this point, it can get a little funky and cool if you slice this almost in half. So kind of not all the way over, but kind of bend it down. Crease that one nice and tight. And then you bring this one back around. To almost the same spot.
So it makes this kind of like little jet fighter.
And crease that one down. Smush that one nice. Okay, and then you can take this tail and cut this right off. Right across here. And then whatever designs that you want. I'm gonna do one that's kind of...
It's a little straight line, and then it goes over with like a straight line, and then it goes up, almost like an F kind of shape.
And then over on here. Bigger scissors helps. I always tell my kids really down is the sharpest part of the scissors. It's a little bit hard to cut through all these papers up here.
And that folded edge on here still kind of strong on here. It'll work out well. Let's see how that one looks now.
Ooh, definitely a lot better. I like that one a lot on there. All right, so now the real challenge. Let's see if I can get this done in under a minute. What color should I pick? I'll go gender neutral. So I will go with yellow in the middle. I'm gonna set my timer by looking at the camera up here, but you guys
Keep along on the little timer ticker at the bottom. So ready, set, no edits, and go.
Fold that down, smushing this. Doesn't have to be perfect, just trying my best. See if I can ramble along so that you know that I'm not speeding it up. You'll notice my voice is not changing throughout this. Even though I'm trying my best to focus, get all my edges good. This one's gonna kind of come halfway. Ooh, that's kind of about halfway. Smush that one. Bring it back over best as I can. Again, use my trick of smushing it with the scissors. How's my time looking there? Cut that off here. Oh, there we go. And then we're gonna go on this side. Let's go 1, 2. I like that one. Let's go another one. Going over here. Make this one a bigger cut. Oh, I like that. And then we're gonna throw another one just to be safe. Okay, how's my time? Did anybody check how long it is? I just checked on it, and it was 1 minute and 14 seconds.
Maybe if I didn't put my extra little cut here on top, it would have been under a minute. But let's see how it looks. I think it looks,
Oh, I love it. Awesome. Fantastic. I really like this one.
Maybe I should change the title to a little over a minute. But you guys know, as I always say in my art class,
Usually the last person does. I don't want to rush you guys. I just tried to put a catchy title and show you that you can do these pretty easy in almost under a minute, or a more basic design in under a minute. But we don't want basic or plain. We want awesome, amazing, fantastic. So let's get into some of those. Awesome. Hopefully you guys had fun with this, as I did just making this video. Whole bunch of different ideas and designs. I haven't even
looked at these ones yet. So let's see what these look like in a different color. You can always mount them on different kind of backgrounds
and display them however that you want. You could do like Zen-tag designs on the inside of them. There's thousands of different ideas, and possibilities are endless in here. Ooh, this one's really
cool. Oh, look at that one. I like that.
That one, let's see, my blue one had a little bit more triangles in it, but let's
see. Oh, and then I did kind of like leaf kind of design in the middle of it. So hopefully you guys had fun with this. As always, I am Mr. Shooty. This is Mr. Shooty. We'll talk to you guys later.